Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up multiple displays in a single PC. So I have two monitors. I'm going to show you how you can set up both of the monitors on a single PC. So when you connect both of the monitors with your PC, just go to detect. Once it's detected, just find the monitor. So there you can see this is my monitor number 1 and there's a 2. To run the first monitor, you have to click on show desktop 1. To run 2, you have to click on show only desktop 2. But if you wanna run both of them, you have to click on extend these displays. And now there you can see in my camera both of the displays are working at the same time. There you can see. Both of the monitors are now extended and connected on a single PC. So now you can just use both of them. And if you wanna change the orientation of your display, you can also change it from here. Like I have this vertical monitor, so I wanna change it to portrait or landscape. I can easily change it from here. There you can see now it's been landscape, but I want to use it as a portrait. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.